Here's a GMC Sierra body style 2007 to 2013. We've got the HID lights on the low beam, high beam, and fogs with the LED switchback turn signals. The LED switchback will run white while you're going straight. As soon as you turn left or right, it'll flash the golden amber color. We'll move it over to the other side. Driver side is now pure white. Passenger side goes to golden amber. Now we'll move over to the high beam. These are the pure white 55-watt high-powered HID lights, low beam, high beam, and fog lights. We've got HIDs and LEDs available for most vehicles. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. This one is a GMC Sierra body style 2007 to 2013. And we'll see you guys on the next one.